Hi guys, Dev-initly Mary here. Today we want to work on our HQ tent in our first level. So let us go to Unreal for that. Here you see our tent we make. So I will not show you the end like in the videos before because it will visual, nothing will change. So we got now our headquarter you see here. So, but we want in all our maps the exact same headquarter. We don't want to build the headquarter every time over and over and over again. We want this headquarter and put it in any scene, on any place, and can use it. So that we have to use an blueprint actor for that. So first of all, we want here to create a folder. We named it HQ. In the HQ, we will bring our tent as its first. We go up all the way here and bring it in. So then we use our front curtains and we bring it in as a child of the tent. So now we have our tables. We take them out and bring them in under the tent. Very important. So now we bring this. Let us mark this, and this. And we bring that under the tent. Now we want this. We want this, that, and that. And we bring it under our tent. And now we had to bring this under our tent too. Here we do the same. We bring it under our tent. And now we take this three and bring it all under our tent too. So now we try to move the tent and we see we miss the lights. Now we had to bring the lights under the tent too. So now, if you move the tent, you will move the whole headquarter like we want to. And we can bring the headquarter in every scene, everywhere. So no problem. So now how we could bring our tent now to an actor. So for that, click on the tent, go on the details, click on add and say new blueprint script component. Actor component, next. Name the component HQ. And bring him under horror game and under, yeah, where we place it. New folder. That's something we want to trade our maps or chairs. Let us call it chairs. So create blueprint class. So now we got our blueprint class. Yeah. But we want, yeah. I will not want this. So, give me a short moment. Yeah. So we had to make a little bit more moves. What I mean. So we had to put our investigation items short out of the HQ because we need them dynamic. What I mean, we want that the items spawn like one player in the game, we got one EMF and so on. 2 players too, and further on. So now we had to merge all of these actors together. And the lamps. The point lights we cannot bring in. So we need to bring all of that. Oh, wrong lamps. They not we want. We want to bring all of that here to one model. So we bring it, we go on tools, we go on merge actors. We go on merge, we tell that HQ mesh and save that. Now we got our mesh here. And if I put that mesh and bring it, oh, he's still in the merging process, he's done. So now we got our lamps, we got all in it. So now we can take this and go here, and we say we want a new actor out of it. New actor. We go on select. And now we got our HQ as an usable actor. So now we can bring in spawn positions for the whole items here, here, here. We can bring in our spotlights. Let us begin with that. So we need our spotlights here. Here is the first spotlight of the lamp, and we will bring this to the right position. But that is not the lamp. That is the lamp here. First we had to rotate it. Then we want to look up. So, and so. And let us see if we, no, we're not right at the moment. We want to go here and here, here, and we kind of in the middle. So now we want the next point light. We bring it in, we rotate it. We did rotate it, now we bring it in the position. Yeah, because we want our HQ to have light in it. So yeah, we save it, and now we try to place our new actor and sees or if we get what we want. Where we save the blueprint. We can search for it. That's HQ. Yeah, on mesh and blueprint, there it is. And you see the light is in here too. And it's not work as I want to. Yeah, because it's too high. That's better, yeah. So now we can work here. And you see our headquarter looks exactly like the other one. Now we could we blend it out? Visibility. Okay. Toggle visibility. Yeah. We only want to blend it out. Why we only want to blend it out? Because if we need a new mesh for a blueprint, we had to use it. We at this moment not pretty sure this will be the last version of our headquarter. So, perfect. So in this video, I want you to only learn to bring your mesh into an actor so you can use it. The reasons are simple. We had to reuse that headquarter for every map, and we must to be sure it looks every time the same. So now with this blueprint, we can be sure it's 100% the same. And the next videos we make the spawn point for the equipment. We will handle some more details in the headquarter to look at a little bit more like in real headquarter. Level design is a very, very big part of this. And that is where we will go. So yeah. I hope you learned something. This time it is a very short video at the end, but not less important. But to begin now a new point, then it will be again a massive video. And I think some short videos are not bad at all. Yeah, so maybe I can make you some timeline. We will make the spawn points, we make the player spawn points in here. Then we make bring details here to look it a little bit more realistic. We will bring some decals and so on. So I think we finish the headquarter in the next 2 videos. After that, we will make the exterior here some more realistic. So we will bring some decals here, maybe some reflections from water or something else. We bring here a rain reservoir, maybe with falling water and then the reflection. We will bring flowers here. We will make here maybe some, I don't know yet what we bring here, but we bring here something so all of that looks a little nice. Here maybe some things, maybe a plant here and here, and something that looks make it looks more realistic. I think for that we need 2 videos too. And after that, we get the exterior, we get the headquarter, we go into the house and make our room plan I showed you before. If you have now any suggestions that you want more on this map, that's the reason why I tell you what we want to make on the map. Please write in the comments. Now it's the moment you can decide and make me bring more in it. it's the best moment for that. Yeah, but now I'm finished this video for real. So I hope you learned something. If you're not joining our Discord at the moment, I would love to see you there. If you want, subscribe. It would help me a lot. And see ya.